Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Alright, took it out a little bit because I forgot who it was coming from. This is coming from ENVIX. Check them out. I have the link down below in case you want to buy this item. All you gotta do is add the link and add the item to your cart and get this fast shipped to you guys. So we have here clean. Oops. Got to take out the plastic, might help. We got double-sided magnets. A helpful reminder in case people like me forget a few things. This always helps. Okay. This is dirty. Oh, for laundry, I do believe. Dirty. Clean. And we also got another sack right here. We got clean. These are really good. I think these are something clipped, so not too sure. Adhesive. Maybe a reminder of something dirty. I like this color a lot. Nice font. Really nice made magnets. So like I said, if you guys want these items, all you gotta do is click on the link down below. Add it to your cart. Check out really fast. And they'll ship this really fast to you guys. So we're gonna go on the fridge in a second. Dirty. Clean. And I'll show you guys these guys. I'll be back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We are back in the kitchen. I'm going to show you the double-sided magnets from ENVIX. Here's a dirty. Bam. Sticks perfectly. Look at that. Doesn't move at all. And then flip it around. Clean. Here are the other ones for the dog food to feed them. Really cool. And here's this color. Clean. And this one. Dirty. So definitely, YouTubers, check them out. Link will be down below. There's my dog right there. Oof. And like I said, really cool double-sided magnets. And be safe, YouTube. Have a good weekend. See you soon.